In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to contact EA Live Chat support. If you're facing an issue with an EA game or your account and need direct help from a support agent, this guide will show you exactly what to do. Let's get started. First, open the official EA Help website. Once you're there, choose the game that's causing the problem. If your issue isn't related to a specific game, you can select the option for EA Account or General Help instead. After that, you'll see several support options. You can browse through the available help topics or use the search bar to quickly find your issue, such as a refund or login problem. When you select your issue, you may be asked to choose the affected game and platform. If live chat support is available for your problem, the option to speak with a live advisor will appear on the page. Click on it, fill in the required details carefully, and submit the form. Once submitted, you'll receive a case number and be connected to an EA support agent. When the chat begins, clearly explain your issue and continue the conversation until it's resolved. And that's all there is to it. This is how you can easily contact EA Live Chat support and get help directly from their team. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, feel free to like and share it, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.